Adding and editing product categories. To add and edit product categories, click Settings and then Product Categories. To add a new category, click the green plus button and begin typing the category name, then click Save. Now I would like to add some subcategories to this parent or top level category. So I'll click the down arrow next to Edit and click Add Subcategory, and I will add our trees. And in this case, I'm also going to assign a barcode prefix, and this one will be green-T for trees, star, and I'll click Save. Now what that does is when I then create products and assign them to this category, it will automatically assign this barcode prefix with an incremented number in place of that star. So I'll add a couple more subcategories. I'll add our floor plants, and that will be green-F star. And then one more, tabletop greenery, and that will be green-TT star. And I'll click Save. Now you'll see the greenery parent category with the subcategories. To edit a category, simply click it, click the edit button, and you can change the name or the barcode prefix. And to delete a category, click the down arrow next to edit, click delete category. You'll receive a confirmation that you really want to delete it. Click OK, and now that has been deleted. That is adding and editing product categories.